Hello guys, William here. I am 11-year-old and today I'm going to tell you how to deploy your own smart contract on the Smart Chain, the BscScan. But before we head to do anything, guys, let's hit the intro. Come on. So here's this cool guy on YouTube. I recommend you subscribing and hit that notification bell because that would really help out. Okay, so let's get to the purpose of this video. Why are you guys here? Are you guys here to check about how to deploy your own smart contract on the BscScan, the Smart Chain? Well, you came to the correct video because today I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, you're going to need to open my GitHub. So all the GitHub links will be down below. So here's going to be how to add the Smart Chain to your Metamask. And here is how to deploy the smart contracts. So guys, first open remix.ethereum.org. All the links will be down below. So now we're going to go right here and click on this file right here. Here is a script. There's only 44 lines. So now you're going to click on this icon right here or select all. I click on this because this copies everything. So now I'm going to go back to Remix and open it back up. I'm going to click on this plus icon right here, which will make a new workspace. And now I'm going to delete the name and rename it to what I want. So now you can see I have a new workspace with everything here. So now you're going to click on the contracts folder and click on this icon, new file. Now you're going to name it anything you want. I'm going to name it token.sol. The reason why we're using .sol is because we're coding in Solidity. Now I have just named my file and I have now opened it. Now paste down the smart contract. Now there's only 3 lines to mess up with. You can mess around with these 3 lines. Now here you can choose how much you want the total supply. I chose 1 billion, but it's up to you. And then here you can choose your name right inside here. I chose it Momo Inu because Momo is my dog and a big fan of Kishu and Shiba. You can say here the token symbol Momo and that's it. Over here you can change the decimals. If I was you, I'll leave it 18, but you can change it to 9. It's really up to you. Now you have finished messing around with those 3 strings. Now you're going to come here and click on the Solidity compiler. And then you're going to click on these arrows right here. It's going to open up a slide menu. So now you're going to choose 0.8.2 because that's our program Solidity. You just click it now. Now it's going to take a bit of a while before this becomes up lighter blue, and if you see the mouse like this, then click it. Now it should start compiling. If you can see this, it means that it has been compiled. Don't worry, we have 2 errors, but that's fine because we can still deploy. Now I'm going to click on this, deploy and run transactions. Click on this icon. You're going to change the environment to Injected Web 3. It can read that it's a custom 56 network. 56 is a Smart Chain ID, which you can see in the GitHub link. If you go back when you're adding Metamask, you can see right here the chain ID is the custom 56 network. Now here, I don't recommend to touch the gas limit or anything here. Now I'm going to click on this button right here, deploy. When you click on deploy, the Metamask transaction will come up. You're going to have to pay a fee and the amount you have to pay to make a token. Go and click confirm. You can see down here right now it's in work in progress. There we go. It has now worked. There's a tick. It means that you have successfully deployed. Then you click on right here. Now when I want to go copy our over here, our address, our wallet address. We're gonna now paste it in transfer. We're now gonna click on this arrow right here. You're gonna click on our value. So how many total supplies we have here? We're gonna write it down right here in our value. Now I'm gonna click on transact. Another Metamask sign-in request will pop up. You're gonna have to pay another fee. Well, this is even under $1. We're gonna click on confirm. So now I'm gonna go up here and you're gonna click on this button. I'm gonna copy our contract address again. And now I'm gonna open BscScan.com. All the links will be down below, remember that. So now we're gonna paste in our wallet address. And here it is. And you're gonna click on this arrow right here. And it's gonna open up a scroll menu where you can see all the tokens you have. You can see everything I have here. Okay, so now you're gonna look for your token you just deployed here. You can here click to sort. Okay guys, we're picking back from here. It took me another time to set it back because I had to refresh the page. Well, now you can see right here, it's right here, Momo Inu. We have now successfully deployed our token. Look at that. I have our own contract address. You can see the total supply. There's one holder, of course, that's me. Now we can update, we can get the logo right here in social profiles. If you guys really want to see how to do that, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because in the next video I'm going to tell you how to get your logo and your social media icons. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you soon next time, and